So, next naman.
So, sunod naman na SWOT analysis na i-review ko ay kay Renz Pagaduan. So, for first question, which strength is the most useful for job networking and why? I would say teamwork and communication because it is the most common skills every employee should possess. Sa number 2 naman, rate each strength from 1 to 5 based on professional impact. I-rate ko yung communication 5/5. Sa teamwork naman 4/5. Since both crucial siya kung nasa industry na kayo, nasa corporate na kayo. Sunod naman, for weaknesses. So, for first question, which weakness needs the most improvement? I would say self-confidence. Since if we have lower confidence to ourselves, we cannot perform better to our job or cannot yield good results. So, second question naman. Suggest one strategy to improve it. Just be calm and relax. Overcome your fear and do practice. Sunod naman sa opportunities. Ano yung tanong yan? Opportunity.
Which opportunity can lead to potential job connection?
So, for the first question, which opportunity can lead to a potential job connections? I would say IT networking. Since nowadays, this industry is still growing up because it's very beneficial to us.
To rate each opportunity from 1 to 5 on how realistic it is.
So, ayan. Sa networking, 5/5. Importante ngayon yan kasi maraming business na mga bago. So, panghuli naman, for threats. First question, which threat is most challenging right now? Financial problem because it is the most common problem and it limits your opportunities and what you can do. So, second question naman, anong tarang lang?
Coping strategy.
Coping strategy.
So, sa second question, coping strategy. Coping strategy for this is to find side hustle job that gives you enough financial resources.
So,
Financial freedom.
So, lastly naman is yung